How to fix Meta AI not working on your WhatsApp application. To fix this issue, first of all, what you need to do is launch your App Store in your device. Then on the searching bar, search for WhatsApp and see if any updates is available. If you see update button there, then simply hit on that and wait for a minute to get updated. Once it is updated, still your problem is not solved, then go through the settings in your device. From there, scroll down and tap on General. Then go through the iPhone storage and search for WhatsApp application. There you will see two options under WhatsApp. Simply choose Offload app and reinstall your application again and your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.